highlight of Develop 3D Live for me has been to meet these energetic CAD users that have come here to talk to us. I think the future of design is exciting. Product design is changing and the tools people use to do it are changing, and I think that's going to speed up, not slow down.
I came here last year and I fell in love with it because I don't know a lot about 3D printing and this new technology, and this was a great way for me to kind of get introduced to new things without being scared.
It's very exciting to be here. Many people are telling me that these days this is the place to be. The future of CAD is evolving in a direction where engineers need to be smarter, need to be more eclectic, because more and more is becoming a fully integrated process that is not only about the form and the function, but is about the material, is about the experience that an object can transmit to the potential customer. The manufacturing technologies are changing very rapidly, so design has to be more and more for manufacturing.
I'm here at 3D Live because I'm speaking on the startup stage. I really want to encourage other people to have an idea and go and do it.
3D Live is one of my favourite events because there's lots of like-minded people getting together. We're all using different CAD tools in lots of different areas, and so we can learn from each other about what works best.
There's a couple of things that are really exciting that you can see going on here. All the new manufacturing processes, all the stuff going on with additive and new ways of doing subtractive. You know, I talked a lot about what I thought was interesting. One was generative design and new ways to really use the computer to help design stuff. And then, you know, of course, we spent a lot of time talking about Fusion 360 and what cloud-based CAD means.
The technology I was most impressed with was actually the cloud apps. I was just so impressed by seeing how lightning fast they worked.
I think the future of 3D printing is open, so I think it's going to be about collaboration and seeing where we can all go together if we work together.
We hope to really move that ball forward. Material strength, new, exciting, exotic materials are probably really the future of where additive manufacturing is going. You know, parts that you can actually functionally use.
I think it's really great. It's a great mix of industry and academics, all very knowledgeable about their field, so it's quite refreshing to speak to people who know a lot about 3D printing and really want to get down into the details.
As ever, brilliant. Really enjoy it. Great breadth of exhibiting, a couple of cracking talks.
I think the shows like this are perfect because, you know, in our industry, technology is growing so quickly, and we appreciate, you know, we've got to keep up with demand and you know, give what people want to see, really.
It's kind of cool to see creativity come into the conference and how kind of the play idea and doing that is kind of moving into this industry, which has been probably is very serious, but actually moving forward with a playful industry as well. And it's fantastic to see that coming through.
There's some really quite big leaps in terms of quality of output. I can see that we're beginning to move things on quite significantly, and it's moved from being a toy, something that we just, you know, let's just make stuff, rather than let's design it well and make it once. And we're beginning to see some much more thoughtful use of 3D printing.